Plant FAQs. Hoya Clemensiorum. Hoya Clemensiorum, a collector's dream with easy care. Hey there, plant enthusiasts. Ferbu here, and today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of the Hoya Clemensiorum. This stunning vine has captured the hearts of collectors worldwide, and for good reason. See more 566 species in genus Hoya at monsteraholic.com. What is a Hoya Clemensiorum? The Hoya Clemensiorum is a unique climbing plant native to the lush forests of Sumatra, Indonesia. It boasts long, sword-shaped leaves with a deep green hue and prominent, almost black, veins that run throughout the leaf. This dramatic contrast gives the plant an almost prehistoric look, making it a real conversation starter. Is the Hoya Clemensiorum easy to care for? Absolutely. This Hoya is a dream for busy plant parents. It thrives in a wide range of conditions and doesn't require constant attention. Here's the lowdown on its basic needs. Light. Hoya Clemensiorum prefers bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water. These Hoyas are drought-tolerant. Water only when the soil feels completely dry to the touch. Overwatering is a leading cause of problems. Soil. A well-draining potting mix is crucial. Opt for a mixture specifically designed for cacti or orchids, or create your own by combining potting soil with perlite or orchid bark. Humidity. While Hoya Clemensiorum can tolerate average humidity levels, it flourishes in a more humid environment. Grouping your plants together or using a humidifier can help. How big does a Hoya Clemensiorum grow? This vine can become quite a climber, reaching several feet in length if given the space. You can train it to climb a moss pole or trellis, or let it cascade elegantly from a hanging basket. Does the Hoya Clemensiorum flower? Yes, and the blooms are just as captivating as the foliage. Hoya Clemensiorum produces clusters of fragrant, star-shaped flowers with a creamy white center and a reddish-purple border. The fragrance is often described as sweet and slightly citrusy. How often does the Hoya Clemensiorum flower? A mature Hoya Clemensiorum can flower multiple times throughout the year, especially with proper care. Established plants are more likely to produce blooms than younger ones. Hoya Clemensiorum versus Hoya callistophila. What's the difference? Both Hoya Clemensiorum and Hoya callistophila are stunning Hoyas with long, variegated leaves. However, there are some key distinctions. Leaves. Hoya Clemensiorum has solid green leaves with prominent dark veins, while Hoya callistophila boasts variegated leaves with splashes of pink and cream. Rarity. Hoya Clemensiorum is generally considered the rarer of the two varieties. Growth habit. Hoya Clemensiorum tends to have a slightly more sprawling growth habit compared to the more compact Hoya callistophila. Where can I buy a Hoya Clemensiorum? Due to its rarity, Hoya Clemensiorum might not be readily available at your local garden center. However, you can find them online through specialized plant nurseries and collectors groups. Be prepared for a slightly higher price tag compared to more common Hoya varieties. How do I fertilize my Hoya Clemensiorum? You can use a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength during the growing season, spring and summer. Avoid over-fertilizing, which can damage the roots. Can I propagate a Hoya Clemensiorum? Yes. Stem cuttings are the most common method. Take a healthy stem with a few nodes and plant it in a well-draining potting mix. Keep the soil moist but not soggy and provide bright, indirect light. Rooting can take several weeks. Why are my Hoya Clemensiorum leaves curling? Curling leaves can be a sign of underwatering, overwatering, or exposure to cold temperatures. Check the soil moisture and adjust your watering schedule accordingly. Protect your plant from drafts and sudden temperature fluctuations. My Hoya Clemensiorum isn't flowering. What's wrong? There are several reasons why your Hoya might not be flowering. It could be due to insufficient light, stress from repotting, or simply not being mature enough yet. Ensure it's receiving bright, indirect light, and provide consistent care. Patience is key, as flowering can take time. Do I need to repot my Hoya Clemensiorum? Repotting is only necessary every few years, or when the plant outgrows its current container. Choose a pot that's only slightly larger than the root ball. Final thoughts on the Hoya Clemensiorum. With its unique appearance, easy care requirements, and fragrant blooms, the Hoya Clemensiorum is a true gem for any plant collection. Whether you're a seasoned Hoya enthusiast or just starting your indoor jungle journey, this captivating vine is sure to impress. So, are you ready to add a touch of the exotic to your home? Why not give the Hoya Clemensiorum a try? You won't regret it.